Just to you all children, let me start our today's session with our topic interconcept. Inside this, we're able to create problems integrating time, money and distance. Raju travelled 20 km in 1 hour. Dinu travelled 5 km in half an hour. Who travelled fast? Which vehicle he used? The second question, in metro train, rupees 60 charged for half an hour. Deepa has only rupees 200. How many hours does she travel in metro train? The third question, Sendil spent rupees 80 for 50 km. Gautam spent rupees 50 for 30 km. Who travelled at low cost? So from the above questions, we can conclude the relationship between time, distance and money. In the first question, we can relate it with time, and in the second question it related to money, and in the third question it related to distance. So like that, these are interrelated with speed, time and distance. So speed, which is equal to distance by time. If we are having distance and time, we can calculate the speed of the vehicle. If we are having the distance of the travel and the speed of the vehicle, then we can get the time, that is equal to distance by speed. Distance is equal to speed into time. See the exercise problem, exercise 5.1, answer the following. First one, speed which is given, and then second column time is given. We have to calculate the distance. Distance is nothing but speed into time. So in the first question, 48 kilometers per hour speed, time 2 hours. What is the distance? Distance is equal to speed into time. So 48 into 2, which is equal to 96. So our distance, that is equal to 96 kilometer. In the second question, speed is equal to 35 and time is equal to 3 hours. So we have to calculate distance. Distance, that is equal to speed into time, 35 km per hour into 3 hours, that is 35 into 3, that is equal to 105. Let me calculate it. 35 into 3. Here 5 3s are 15. Remainder 1, carry over 1 to this place. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So 35 into 3, which is equal to 105 kilometer. See the next question. Speed is 30 km per hour and time is 5 hours. Then we have to calculate distance. Distance, that is equal to 30 into 5. 30 into 5, here 5 into 0, 0. 5 3s are 15. So which is equal to 150 kilometer. So the distance, that is equal to speed into time. Here speed, which is equal to 50 km per hour and time is 4 hours. While we multiplying 50 into 4, we get 200 kilometer. Here 5 4s are 20 and then again put the 0, 200 kilometer. So our distance, that is equal to 200 kilometer. See the next question. Distance covered in 2 hours at the speed of 20 miles per hour. Distance covered in 2 hours at the speed of 20 miles per hour. So here time and the speed are given. We have to calculate the distance. For each of the problem, we have to calculate the distance, speed and time is given. Here distance is equal to speed into time. So the distance, that is equal to 2 into 20, which is equal to 40 miles. So for the second question, 65 miles per hour into 4 hours, that is 65 into 4. 65 into 4, we want to calculate 65 into 4. 5 4s are 20. The remainder 2 carry over to this place. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 2, which is 26. Therefore it is 260 miles. Then the speed of the vehicle is 48 km per hour and the time is 5. So 48 into 5 we have to calculate, that is speed into time. 48 into 5. 8 5s are 40. Put 0 here and carry over 4 to this place. And 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 4, 24. So 240 miles. 5 into 48 is 240 miles. Then in the next one, distance covered in 6 hours at the speed of 80 km per hour. So 6 into 80. We want to calculate 6 into 80. Here 80 into 6. 6 into 0, 0. 6 into 0, 0. 6 8s are 48. 6 8s are how much? 48. So our answer is 480 miles. Then see the next one. Distance covered in 3 hours at the speed of 42 km per hour. So distance covered in 3 hours 42 km per hour. So 42 into 3. 42 into 3. 42 into 3. Here 2 3s are 6. 4 3s are 12. So our answer is 126 miles. 126 miles. Here units we want to mention. See the next question, word problem. If Gobi ran 12 hours at a speed of 14 km per hour. Here time is 12 hours and speed is 14 km per hour. Then how much distance did he ran? So Gopi ran at a speed of 14 km per hour. Time taken by Gopi, that is equal to 12 hours. So we have to calculate the distance, that is equal to speed into time. So speed into time. Here speed is 14 km and time is 12. So we want to multiply. 4 2s are 8 and then 1 2 is 2. Again we want to multiply with 1. 1 4s are 4. Put the number below the number 2. 1 1s are 1. Then bring out 8 down. 8. 2 plus 4 6 and then 168 kilometer. So the Gopi ran at a speed of 14 kilometer per 12 hours. For 12 hours he ran at a speed of 14 kilometer per hour. The distance covered by Gopi, that is equal to 168 kilometer. See the next question. If Raja rides motorcycle for 4 hours at a speed of 30 km per hour, then how much distance did he go? Raja rides motorcycle at speed 30 km per hour. Time taken by Raja to ride the motorcycle at 30 km speed is 4 hours. So the distance, that is equal to speed into time. Here our speed is 30 and time is 4. So 30 into 4, that is equal to 120. 4 3s are 12. So 4 into 0 0 and then 4 3s are 12. So our answer is 120. So the distance covered by Raja, that is equal to 120 kilometer. Thank you children.